Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Kraken V4 Pro. First, connect the headset's USB cable to an available port on your computer or console. Next, download and install the dedicated audio software from the manufacturer's website. Once installed, launch the application and follow any on-screen prompts to update the device's firmware to the latest version. This ensures optimal performance and access to all features. Now let's configure the software. Open the audio application and navigate to the sound settings. Here, you can select from various audio profiles or create custom equalizer settings to suit your preferences. Don't forget to adjust your microphone's input sensitivity and volume to ensure clear communication. Experiment with different settings to find what sounds best for your gaming or communication needs. Your Kraken V4 Pro offers some fantastic advanced features. Enable spatial audio for a truly immersive experience, allowing you to pinpoint sounds in your environment. You can also personalize the headset's lighting effects, choosing from a spectrum of colors and patterns. Additionally, adjust the haptic feedback intensity to feel the action, enhancing your gameplay with tactile sensations. Explore these options to elevate your experience. Finally, it's crucial to test your setup. Play some audio or join a voice chat to confirm both your headphones and microphone are working correctly. If you encounter any issues, double-check all cable connections to ensure they are secure. For persistent problems, refer to the user manual or the manufacturer's support website for detailed troubleshooting steps. Enjoy your new Kraken V4 Pro.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.